In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make emails for website using Brevo. This process walks you through creating a simple email campaign, designing the message, and then sending it right away or scheduling it for later. Take your time as you go, because a clear campaign setup now will help you stay organized as you create more emails in the future. First, open your Brevo dashboard and go to Campaigns, then choose Email. This is the area where you manage and create email campaigns, so it is the right place to start whenever you want to send an email to your audience. Next, click Create an Email Campaign. This begins a new campaign setup, and it will guide you through the key parts: naming the campaign, designing the email, and preparing it to send. Now enter a campaign name. Choose a name that you will recognize later, especially if you run multiple promotions or website updates. For example, you might include the month, the topic, or the type of message. Once you have entered the name, click Create Campaign to move forward. After that, select Design Email. This is where you build what subscribers will actually see in their inbox, including your text, images, and overall layout. Then select a layout or a template. A layout is a simple structure you can build on, while a template is more pre-designed and often faster to customize. Pick the option that matches how polished you want the email to look and how much time you want to spend designing. Once you are in the editor, use the drag-and-drop editor to add text and images. Click into text areas to type your message, and add images where they support your content. Keep your design clean and easy to scan, and make sure your most important information appears near the top of the email so it is seen quickly. When you are happy with your email, click Save and Quit. This saves your design and returns you to the campaign flow so you can prepare to send. Finally, choose whether to schedule the email or select Send Now. Scheduling is useful if you want the email to go out at a specific time, while Send Now delivers it as soon as it is processed. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.